Hi, welcome to the software release update video for AccessOS 12.8. My name is Bingfen, and I'm with the AccessOS product management team at Access Communications. Let's go through features and updates in AccessOS 12.8 together. Let's begin with some general updates on our latest features and enhancements. First, by default, there are two virtual hosts configured, one for HTTP and one for HTTPS. These can be modified or turned off as needed, but they can't be removed. The audit log functionality has been expanded to include logs for RTSP streaming, providing more comprehensive tracking and monitoring compatibilities. The export-import device configuration feature has been enhanced to now support schedules. In AccessOS 12.8, we are significantly expanding our device configuration APIs. Key additions include default hosts in virtual host API, new APIs for event rules, recipients, and schedules. These new APIs enhance the flexibility and functionality of our device configurations. We are excited to introduce Nexus, a data-centric, publish-subscribe data distribution system that will serve as a new central data hub for Access devices. Nexus is currently in its beta phase, and more detailed information will soon be available in the Access developer documentation. Let's take a look at the cybersecurity improvements introduced in AccessOS 12.8. We have added support for AES-256 encryption for SMPv3 privacy, which provides a higher level of security for SMPv3 communications. OpenSSH has been updated to version 10.1. This update is part of our ongoing efforts to increase the overall cybersecurity level of our system. In the web interface, we have introduced visual indicators to guide users towards secure configurations for various features. In our latest updates, we have expanded the support for Access Audio Analytics to include several new models. We have also done significant enhancements for Access License Plate Verifier with these key updates. Expanded the object class tracking, improved detection and recognition for vehicles and license plates. A new pixel counter tool has been added, improved the detectors for more number plates. These updates greatly enhance the Access License Plate Verifier's capabilities and performance. The Access Live Privacy Shield now includes the capability to mask vehicles. The Access Object Analytics has also done a lot of enhancements, including an improved algorithm for false positives in PPE monitoring scenarios, along with other corrections. Let's also take a look at the product-specific updates. First, for the P32 dome cameras, we have changed the default rotation to 180 degrees. The D6310 air quality sensor now supports the addition of the D6210 as external air quality monitor, enabling dual source scenario. Now, let's talk about the new features in more detail. The virtual host configuration feature allows users to select their preferred authentication schemes, supporting methods including OpenID Connect, Basic, and Digest authentication. For instance, a device can be configured with 3 virtual hosts, each supporting a different authentication mode on separate ports. This flexibility enhances the device adaptability to various system and security requirements. By default, there are 2 virtual hosts configured, one for HTTP on port 80 and one for HTTPS on port 443. These can be modified or turned off as needed, but they can't be removed. The export-import device configuration feature greatly simplifies the setup process for multiple devices. With AccessOS 12.8, the schedules in events can now also be exported and imported. Support for rules and the recipients was introduced in the previous release, making this feature more comprehensive and complete. The screenshot here illustrates an example of 2 exported schedules in JSON format. In the web interface, we have introduced the visual indicators to guide users towards secure configurations. The warning icons alert users to non-recommended settings. The shield icons highlight the recommended secure configurations for various functionalities, For example, version 3 is recommended for SMP. Lastly, for SMP v3, we now support AES 256 encryption for privacy. This provides a higher level of security for SMP v3 communications, ensuring that the data is better protected. The Axis Live Privacy Shield now includes capability to mask vehicles. As demonstrated in the screenshot on the right, once the vehicle option is selected, the vehicles are masked. The Axis D6310 air quality sensor provides advanced indoor environmental monitoring and alerts, while the Axis D6210 air quality sensor seamlessly adds indoor air quality monitoring to Axis devices. Now, with Axis OS 12.8, the D6310 air quality sensor supports addition of the D6210 as external air quality monitor, enabling dual source scenarios and allowing for more flexible air quality monitoring solutions. And that was the updates in Axis OS 12.8. The next video comes in February 2026, covering the technical update about the Audi lock. Stay tuned. Thank you for tuning in. Please explore the private links for more information and subscribe to our Axis OS playlist on YouTube. Until next time, take care and goodbye.